Leaked and emerging information about DJI's next-generation compact 360 drone is finally giving us a clear picture of what's coming, and it's fascinating. From the first look at its Cinewoop-style frame in muted gray, complete with fully enclosed ducted prop guards, it's obvious that DJI is prioritizing controlled, cinematic flight over raw FPV acrobatics. This drone is designed for creators who want repeatable, stable, and immersive shots, whether you're filming travel content, real estate walkthroughs, or social media experiences. One subtle but crucial change: DJI is moving to screw-mounted propellers instead of push-on designs. This may seem small, but it's a game-changer for 360 video quality. Fixed prop alignment reduces micro-vibrations, which means smoother footage and fewer stitching artifacts, a must for professional-grade immersive video. The drone also features vented prop ducts that improve thermal efficiency, reduce internal turbulence, and maintain stable hovering. In other words, DJI is engineering this platform for predictable, cinematic performance, rather than high-speed freestyle FPV. Camera-wise, the Avata 360 introduces a rotating dual-lens module. One lens faces upward, one downward, and they rotate 90 degrees. This allows you to switch seamlessly between full 360 capture and traditional cinematic footage within the same flight, something fixed-lens 360 drones can't match. Leaked images also hint at a 3-battery charging hub and multiple launch bundles, including a Fly More kit. Pricing rumors point to an aggressive domestic strategy in China, with slightly higher but competitive global pricing, suggesting DJI is ready to make this drone accessible for creators worldwide. At the same time, DJI's Osmo Pocket 4 is evolving in parallel. Leaks reveal a dual camera system for the first time, combining a wide-angle sensor with a telephoto lens. This is a huge leap for compact content creators, enabling optical zoom, better low-light performance, and cinematic versatility, all while keeping the device pocketable. While FPV enthusiasts and 360 creators debate battery life and stitching challenges, one thing is clear: DJI is shaping a new era of creative drones, where users can choose speed, control, immersion, or freedom, depending on their shooting style. If DJI can combine legendary stabilization, safety, and ecosystem integration with immersive 360 capture, the drone world is about to change faster than anyone expected. The DJI Avata 360 isn't just a drone. It's a statement, a new way to explore, film, and create. Base drone only $489 USD. Standard combo $680 USD. Fly More combo $999 USD.